Dear friends, today I'm going to speak about a book. Its title is Social Justice Through Inclusion, and this book is written by Francesca and it was published by Oxford University Press in 2017. And this book has 228 pages. As we all know, we have a long history of quota politics, and one can trace it in the colonial period, and we have a constitutional provision for it. And in this book, author is examining the consequences of the quota politics in the context of scheduled caste, especially in assemblies, and it is largely ignored and inadequately researched topic. In this book, author is integrating the three important pillars of the social justice. First one is representation, second one is political participation, and third one is recognition. These three pillars are very important to understand the magnitude of political journey, and it is also important to understand the deepening of the democracy. And this book is influenced by the theoretical work of Nancy Fraser, and as we all know, she worked on recognition and redistribution, and author has integrated her work in this book. Another important thing is the author beautifully integrated the quantitative data, archival data, and extensive interviews with policymakers, politicians, activists, and voters. This book is very important to understand how scheduled castes are imagining their future, how they are willing to negotiate with the state. And this book is very important for researchers, for bureaucrats, for political class to understand how the scheduled caste politics is unfolding in India. Thank you so much.